What's up, everybody? My name is Sean. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And this is my channel trailer. I've taken this video about 100 million times. I hope this is the last time I have to take it. Anyways, I'm making a game. Here's my game. It's a game called Ball Boom, and that's about to go boom any second. I've been working on this game for about 6 months now, and everything's going really well. I want to start making YouTube videos because I want to encourage people to pursue their dreams and to make their games, and yeah, I think this is going to be a good way to do that. And I also want to document my journey making this game. I want to show you guys the ups, the downs, any tips and tricks I come across that help me, and maybe we can share ideas back and forth as well. But I think this is going to be a really good place to do that. So I hope that you stick around with me, and if that remotely sounds interesting to you, I would encourage you to go ahead and smack that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay with me, comment with us, watch with us, and grow with us. And yeah, you guys are awesome, and I hope you stick around with me. And that's my channel trailer. So yeah, thank you for being here. Again, this is my intro here. This is actually what I've been working on recently. It's been really fun making, making cinematics with Unreal. So I will see you guys later. Watch my other videos, subscribe, hit that bell, and you guys are amazing. Thank you.